Mappings, which are mainly referred to as relations in the literature for the course, and functions. A relation is a set of ordered pairs which may be explicitly written as a set of ordered pairs or may be written as a rule linking the variables. The set of input values for a relation is known as the domain, and the set of output values is known as the range. For example, suppose we have a set of ordered pairs like so. So when we say ordered pairs, it's like a set of coordinates. We can separate this into the domain, and the domain will be the input value, so that's going to be all of the x coordinates. And the range will be all of the y coordinates because that's the output. We can view this as a diagram. So if we have the domain here, it contains the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the range contains the values 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. And 1 mapped to 1, as we can see if we look here, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 9, 4 goes to 16, and 5 goes to 25. In this case, we could have defined a rule or mapping from the domain to the range. We could have defined f maps x to x squared, where x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can see that 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and so on. And here we've explicitly stated the input values or the domain. The first part of the definition is the rule, which we read as f maps x to x squared. The second part of the rule is the domain, the set of values to which the rule is to be applied. We are unlikely to come across this exact notation. The rule would more normally be written as f of x equals x squared. The domain may not be explicitly defined for a given relation. In other words, we may not see this part of the definition. If this is the case, the natural domain for the relation is used. Now, the idea of the natural domain is quite important, and we'll look at this a lot during the examples. The natural domain for a relation is the largest possible set of input values that the rule can accommodate. Usually this is either the entire set of real numbers, the real numbers are given this symbol here, the double-barred R, or some subset of the real numbers.